So we begin with the solution for the second set of transformations, and let us have a look at exercise 1, change to direct speech. The first sentence: the officer ordered his men to halt. The officer said, comma, open inverted commas, halt. Second option: the officer said to his men, comma, open inverted commas, halt. Halt with exclamation mark and close inverted commas. Number 2, she turned and said goodbye to her friend. Answer: she turned and said, comma, open inverted commas, goodbye my friend, full stop, close inverted commas. Number 3, he prayed that God might forgive her. He said, comma, open inverted commas, may God forgive her, full stop, close inverted commas. He said, comma, open inverted commas, may God forgive her, full stop, close inverted commas. Number 4, David told his friends that it was a pleasant evening. Answer: David said, comma, open inverted commas, friends, it is a pleasant evening, full stop, close inverted commas. Alternatively, you can also write, David said to his friends, comma, open inverted commas, it is a pleasant evening, full stop, close inverted commas. Number 5, the men exclaimed that it was a good luck. Answer: the men said, comma, open inverted commas, wow, it is a good luck, full stop, close inverted commas. Now when you say wow, you have to put an exclamation mark after wow. The men said, comma, open inverted commas, wow, exclamation mark, it is a good luck, full stop, close inverted commas. Number 6, he regretted with pity that she had not come. Answer: he said, comma, open inverted commas, it is a pity that she has not come. It is a pity that she has not come. You can also write, he said, comma, open inverted commas, what a pity that she has not come, full stop, close inverted commas. Number 7, Anand exclaimed that he was very wise. Anand said, comma, open inverted commas, how wise he is, how wise he is, exclamation mark, close inverted commas. Number 8, the spectators applauded Rahul, saying that he had played well. Answer: the spectators said, comma, open inverted commas, bravo Rahul, you have played well, bravo Rahul, you have played well. So bravo and then exclamation mark, then Rahul, you have played well, full stop, close inverted commas. The number 9, the teacher exclaimed with wonder that Rose was an intelligent girl. The teacher said, comma, open inverted commas, what an intelligent girl you are, Rose. What an intelligent girl you are, Rose. You can also alternatively write, the teacher said to Rose, comma, open inverted commas, what an intelligent girl you are, full stop, close inverted commas, not full stop, sorry, exclamation mark, then close inverted commas. Then number 10, the boy exclaimed sorrowfully that he had done a rash deed. The boy said, comma, open inverted commas, alas, I have done a rash deed. Alas, I have, after alas you have to put exclamation mark, alas, I have done a rash deed, full stop, close inverted commas. Then coming to exercise 2, Change to indirect or reported speech. Oh, what a terrible storm it was, she said. She remarked, she remarked, she remarked in fear that it was a terrible storm. That it was a very terrible storm. You can also alternatively write, it was a terrible storm. She remarked with fear that it was a terrible storm. Oh, the sandwich tastes horrible, Susan said. Susan remarked with disgust that the sandwich tasted horrible. Susan remarked with disgust that the sandwich tasted horrible. Then, number 3, they said, may God protect the country. They prayed that God might protect the country. They prayed that God might protect the country. Number 4, help me, heaven, she cried. I will never cheat again. She prayed to heaven, or rather, she pleaded with heaven to help her and that she would never cheat again. She pleaded with heaven to help her and said that she would never cheat again. So you write it this way: she pleaded with heaven to help her and said that she would never cheat again. This will be the correct answer. Then number 5, she said, what a great fool I have been. So this one, she said that she had been a great fool. She said that she had been a great fool. Then number 6, they said, wow, our friend has succeeded. They exclaimed joyfully that their friend had succeeded. They exclaimed with joy. This is another alternative. Instead of joyfully, you can also write with joy that their friend had succeeded. Number 7, the tourist said, what a splendid monument. The tourist expressed amazement that the monument was very splendid. The tourist exclaimed amazement that the monument was very splendid. Then Amit said, alas, destiny has reduced me to such a state. Amit exclaimed with regret that destiny had reduced him to such a state. Instead of regret, you can also use grief. For example, Amit said, instead of said, you can say, Amit exclaimed with grief that destiny had reduced him to such a state. Then number 9, Mr. Sharma said to his friends, hooray, I have won a lottery. Mr. Sharma said to his friends can be changed into Mr. Sharma exclaimed with joy and said to his friends that he had won a lottery. Mr. Sharma exclaimed with joy and said to his friends that he had won a lottery. Number 10, he said to the audience, please be quiet and listen to my words. So this one, he pleaded with the audience to be quiet and listen to his words. He requested or he pleaded with, you can either write he requested his audience to be quiet and listen to his words, or he pleaded with his audience to be quiet and listen to his words. So here we finish exercise 1 and 2. In the next part, next video, I'll be giving you the answers of exercises 3 and 4.